Hello you wonderful, wonderful people, and Happy New Year. Today I'm making irresistible loaded potato skins, crispy, cheesy and packed full of flavour, perfect for a filling indulgent meal, parties or just a small treat. Before I take you through the recipe, please, your engagement means the world to me. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. What recipe would you like me to see me try next? Starting with medium-sized baked potatoes. Wash them before generously coating in salt and olive oil. Scouring the skin. Place them in a 200 degree centigrade oven for at least 50 minutes until a knife cuts through with no pressure. I like my skin crispy, and for this recipe it's best to cook without covering in foil. Whilst potatoes are cooking, we can go ahead and prepare the filling, finely chopping spring onions, grating an absolute shed ton of cheddar, the more the better, and finally dicing up one packet of bacon, whatever your preference in this case. For me, usually it's smoked bacon, but this was unsmoked back. Usually it's just a case for me of getting hold of whatever the store actually has in stock. Is it me, or is cheese and bacon the ultimate pairing in a jacket? What combinations do you like? Leave a comment below. The only item we need to pre-cook is the bacon. Start by heating up oil in a pan before adding your diced bacon. The trick here is to add water. Believe it or not, it sounds stupid, but it does work. It ensures a brown and crispy finish. It does sound daft, but believe me, it really does work. Once the potatoes are cooked through, cut them in half and scoop out the inside. Leave about 1/4 of an inch inside the skin. Place the scooped out potato into a big mixing bowl. Combine this potato with the crispy bacon, all that lovely cheddar and those spring onions before mashing it together so it forms one nice, big, rich, cheesy, meaty filling. Take a generous scoop of that mixture and place it straight in each of the halves of potato before placing back in a 200 degree centigrade oven for around 20 to 30 minutes until the filling has started to bubble and crisp on top. Delicious! Even better, place more grated cheese on top. As I said before, you can't ever have enough cheese. Serve loaded potato skins with, a side of your choice really. My case was a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh chives. It's a beautiful combination to be fair, and goes lovely with these loaded skins. These potato skins are an absolute crowd pleaser, or even a family pleaser. Whether it's a party or a cosy night in, you've absolutely must try these and let me know what you think below. Don't forget, wherever or whenever you're viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, share and subscribe, or if on social media, give me a follow. If you're on YouTube, click the links to the right to see more of my delicious recipes. Click the subscribe button and give the notification bell a ring to be informed of future content, and comment below what's on your plates.